morning बच्चों. As you know, tomorrow your test is there, but I am just telling you, I am not getting the response of every student. Some students, they are sending their work and their test report every time, but some students are ignoring each and everything. Students, be particular. Your 10th class is there. Start to do the preparation from now only. Then you can just be attain the good marks in your CBSE exam. It's not think that the lockdown is there and this time is for your holidays. So timely you have to prepare yourself. Okay, so daily if you will do the work, then you are just be able to attempt the paper in well in time. Okay, I hope you are listening the instruction carefully, and you will, and then only you will just be able to get the good marks. I hope you will follow the same from today onwards. Tomorrow I will take the test of unit 6. Okay, though we have started just be statement sum of unit 4. Now I will just proceed with the same. Today I will explain from sum 8th, 9th, 10th of statement sum of 4.3 going to explain. Just see sum 8th. Question sum 8. A train travels 360 km at uniform speed. If the speed O had been 5 km per hour more, then the timings of 2 are to be taken 1 hour's difference. Okay, find the speed of train. I just read the statement in shortcut. You go through the statement again. I already told, if you will go through statement twice or thrice, you are able to do the statement yourself. Means according to question. If you will just be write according to question, then you are able to frame the quadratic equation and you are able to solve it also. As let's start question. He is saying speed of train. Let usual speed, or we can set speed of train. In first case we are going to take x kilometer per hour. In second case he is saying the speed is increased by 5 km per hour. So in second case the speed will become x plus 5 km per hour. And distance is given 360 km. In both the cases, when you are just taking speed as x kilometer, another case is by 5 km more, then the gap of time is 1 hour. Okay, so time is to be given by, we know that is distance divided by speed. So first time is to be 360 by x. Distance is 360, speed is x. So our time will become 360 by x. In the second case, the distance is 360 and the speed has become x plus 5. So difference of these two time, that is equal to 1. So according to question, the equation has to be given by 360 upon x minus 360 upon x plus 5, that is equal to 1. Always keep in mind, the answer whose denominator is less, that is more in number, more answer, and whose denominator is more, if the numerator are same, that will give the corresponding answer is less. So bigger statement is to be written on the first and the smaller statement is to be written on the second. So you have to follow this one to get your desired according to question. Now how to solve this one? Again of same type which we have done yesterday in Zoom class also, as well as in I explained in my video also. So what is to be there? We have to take the LCM of both the denominator. The LCM will become x into x plus 5. The right hand side 1 upon 1 as it is. So now you will do just this. As in first x is there, so x will cancel with x, so you will left with 360 into x plus 5 minus 360 into x. The rest statement as it is. So it will become 360x plus 1800. Open the bracket. By just multiply 360 by x plus 5. Minus 360x is equal to 1 upon 1. Okay, now the denominator multiplication will become x into x, that is x square, x into 5, that will gives you 5x. Okay, now one 360x is of plus sign, another 360x is of negative sign, so both got cancelled. You will left with only numerator 1800, denominator x square plus 5x, that is equal to 1 by 1. To form it quadratic equation, let's do the cross multiplication. It will gives you x square plus 5x is equal to 1800. Okay, so we will just take the equation. 1800 also comes on this side, so we will left with the quadratic equation, that is x square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. Clear? I know you have done the practice yesterday, you are able to do these also now, but I am going to just do the complete solution once. That is equal to x square plus 45x minus 40x minus 1800 is equal to 0. Now again common in first two and last two. What is the common in first two? That is x, so you will left with x plus 45. In last two common is minus 40, so again you will left with x plus 45 equal to 0. Now the factors will become x minus 40 into x plus 45, that is equal to 0. As the product of two factors is equal to 0, either first factor equal to 0 or second factor is equal to 0. It means either x minus 40 equal to 0, so here x value is 40, or x plus 45 is equal to 0, so value of x is equal to minus 45. Okay, so again one which is not possible according to question, you have to reject that one. As speed can't be negative, so you can say, you can reject value of x is equal to minus 45, reject it. Okay, you have to give the reason also, as speed can't be negative, so value of x is equal to 40. Don't leave the answer up to here, as he has just be language question, so you have to write the language answer. So usual speed of the train, that is equal to 40 km/h. Okay, clear now? Question number 8. Let's read the statement of sum 9th first. Sum 9th. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which both the just take time to fill separately. Okay, let first take smaller diameter. Okay, first let smaller diameter tap take time to fill the tank in x hours. Okay, second case, the larger diameter is taking 10 hours less, so larger diameter tap takes time to fill the tank is equal to x minus 10 hours. Okay, first x hour, second x minus 10 hours. Both fill the tank in how much time? That is 9 3/8 hours, that means 75/8 hours. If I will just ask, if say smaller tap just take x hour to complete the tank. Okay, in 1 hour how much it is to be filled? In 1 hour, 1 hour means 1/x part is to be filled by first tap. In the same case, in 1 hour, second tap will fill 1/x minus 10 part. If I just ask together, for together 1 hour work or 1 hour part, how much is to be filled? That is to be 1/x by first, another is to be 1/x minus 10 by second. So as it is to be going to fill the 75/8 hours to complete tank, in 1 hour it is to be filled 8/75 part. So according to question, it will become 1/x plus 1/x minus 10, that is equal to 8/75. Okay, now how to solve? Again it is to be by taking LCM. So LCM will become x into x minus 10. Now x minus 10 plus x, that is equal to 8/75. Now both x will combine, so numerator will become 2x minus 10 upon denominator will become the product of these two, that is x square minus 10x, that is equal to 8/75. Now do the cross multiplication. It will gives you 150x minus 750 is equal to 8x square minus 80x. How I have written, I think now the steps are clear to you. Okay, even any question left that you are not able to understood, you can just again call me, or you can again tell me, so that I will send you the solution again, or I will send in video again. Okay, so your just be equation will be 8x square minus 8x minus 80x minus 150 plus x plus 750 is equal to 0. Now these two are of x quantity, so combined together it will gives you 8x square minus 230x plus 750 is equal to 0. Now the product of 750 into 8, just see, it is 600. Okay, so we have to just choose the factors in such a way. So middle term, by splitting the middle term, it will become 8x square minus 200x minus 30x plus 750 is equal to 0. Again by taking common, it will gives you 8x into x minus 25 minus 30 into x minus 25 equal to 0. So factors will become x minus 25 into 8x minus 30 is equal to 0. So either x minus 25 equal to 0, so value of x is equal to 25, or 8x is equal to 30, so value of x will become 30 upon 8, so we cancellation 15 upon 4. But this value is not possible. Why not possible? Because if we will take the time for the larger tab, that is 15 by 4 minus 10, it becomes negative. Second time comes negative, so negative value, time can't be negative, so this value is not valid, or we can say do the rejection and give the reason. Reason is that for second larger tab the time become negative, which is not possible, so rejected. So value of x, that is 25, so this time is valid in both. So you can write for smaller tab the time is to be taken is to be 25 hours, and for the larger tab is to be taken as 25 minus that 10, that is 15 hours. I think both the sums are clear to you. Next sum I will explain in the next video. Okay, so tomorrow be ready for the test with unit 6. You have to revise unit 6 for the test. Thank you. Bye bachcho. Okay, the things I think clear to you. Clear now? Yes, I want the response for the test also positive. Bye.